A very good morning to you all students. I'm here Miss Tanya and I'm here to explain you now Act 1 Scene 3 of The Merchant of Venice, line number 1 to 47. Now here we will see three characters mainly, that is Shylock, Bassanio, Antonio. If you remember the first time what I explained about the characters, where I told about Shylock. Shylock is the villain of this play. And in this scene, Act 1, Scene 3, he arrives. And how did we see him or what he is doing? Bassanio goes to him to meet him and to ask him 3,000 ducats. As Bassanio, you remember in the Act 1, Scene 1, when he went to Antonio, Antonio at that moment was not having the money. He said, at my name go to Venice and at my credit ask money from any creditor, means any money lender. So he went to Shylock. Now see, here Bassanio comes to Shylock for money. Now Shylock's intention is here of taking revenge because he came to know that Bassanio, who has sent him, Antonio. So suddenly his feeling of revenge came up, and Bassanio need for money to go to Belmont. He wanted to go to Belmont to meet Portia, to marry her. So he was in urgent need of the money. Now let's start the scene. It is a place, Venice, and Bassanio and Shylock are there. Shylock says 3,000 ducats. Well, Bassanio, sir, for 3 months. Shylock said, do you want 3,000 ducats? Bassanio said, yes, sir, and for 3 months. Shylock, for 3 months? Well, Bassanio, for the which, as I told you, Antonio shall be bound. He said, yes, only for 3 months. And who is the surety for it? Antonio. Shylock, Antonio shall become bound. Well, he said, Antonio will be the surety, is it? Bassanio, may you steed me? Will you pleasure me? Shall I know your answer? Now Bassanio says that, can you help me? May you steed me means, can you help me? Will you do me this favor? Or may I have your answer? Shylock says 3,000 ducats for 3 months and Antonio bound. He said, oh, if you want 3,000 ducats for 3 months and Antonio is the surety. Bassanio, your answer to that? Bassanio said, yes. Is this your answer? Shylock, Antonio is a good man. Means he's a reliable man. Means I can rely on him. Because when he heard the name of Antonio, he was going on repeating the same and same question again and again, just to quench his thirst of revenge. Now see, after this what happened? Bassanio says, have you heard any imputation to the contrary? Bassanio said, have you ever heard anything bad about Antonio or any allegations? Shylock, oh no, my meaning in saying he is a good man. Shylock said, no, my intention in telling that he is really a good man, reliable man, is to have you understand me that he is sufficient, yet his means are in supposition. He said, I just wanted to tell you that his surety is sufficient for me, and yet his means, his resources are at risk. He had an argosy bound to Tripolis, another to the Indies, I understand. Moreover, upon the Rialto, he had a third at Mexico, a fourth for England, and other venture he had. Now he says, I know, I have learned from him that he has one ship sailing for Tripoli, another for the Indies, and moreover, I learned from this Rialto. Rialto is what? Venetian Stock Exchange. I heard from Rialto that he has a third ship at Mexico and fourth in England. And other ventures he has squandered abroad, and the other ventures, the other business and investment has been spread all over. But ships are but boats, sailors but men. There be land rats and water rats, land thieves. Now he said, but whatever it is, ships are made up of wooden planks, and sailors are mortal, and just there are land rats and water rats. That means he want to say there are sea pirates who can destroy the ship and anything can happen to the ship. I mean pirates, and then there is the peril of waters, winds and rocks. The man is notwithstanding sufficient, and said, not even the pirates, but there are dangers of sea, storms and rocks. There are many dangers of sea, of storms, anything can occur. And the man is notwithstanding sufficient. And Antonio is sufficient surety all the same. But whatever the cause, Antonio is sufficient for it. 3,000 ducats I think I may take his bond. Now Shylock said, if it is the cost of 3,000, I think I may accept his surety. Means I am ready to give you 3,000. Bassanio, be assured you may. Bassanio said, rest assured you may. Then Shylock said, I will be assured I may, and that I may be assured. I will bethink me, may I speak with Antonio? Shylock said, yes, I am really assured, but one thing I want to know, I would like to speak to Antonio. Before giving you the money, I would like to talk to Antonio. Bassanio, if it please you to dine with us. Bassanio said, will you dine with us? Will you have dinner with us? Shylock, yes. To smell pork, to eat of the habitation which your prophet the Nazareth conjured the devil into. I will buy with you, sell with you, talk with you, walk with you, and so following. Shylock said, what dinner I should have? To smell pork, as you all are Christians, you are pork eaters. To eat the meat of animals into which Jesus of Nazareth put the devil, and in that animal, in the pig, the Jesus has put the devil. That is according to the Bible it is being given. Then when there was a devil inside a person, the God has taken all that and put that into that pigs. And he is saying, those pigs you all eat, you all are pork eaters, and you think that I will eat with you. So then he says, I will buy with you. He says, I am prepared to buy, to sell, to talk, to walk with you, and do many other things. But I will not eat with you, drink with you, nor pray with you. But I will not eat, I will not drink, and I will not pray with you. Because it is altogether, it tells Shylock's nature that he hates Christian. He never want to be so close to them. Inside that revenge is being reflected here. With you, what news on Rialto? Who is he comes here? Now he said, what is the news on at Venetian Stock Exchange at Rialto? And then he said, see who comes. Now there is the entry of Antonio. As Antonio sent Bassanio, but he also wanted to know what's going on. Antonio came. Bassanio said, there is Senior Antonio. He said, Lord Antonio has come. Now when Shylock saw Antonio, he was really shocked, and his revengeful nature again arose. So he was standing aside. And this extract of Shylock, what he is saying, that is, he is talking to himself. This extract is not been heard by Antonio nor Bassanio. This is only heard by the audience. So here Shylock says, how like a fawning publican he looks. Shylock said, he looks like a flattering tax collector. I hate him for he is a Christian. He said, as he is a Christian, I hate him. But more for that, in low simplicity, he lends out money gratis and brings down the rate of usance here with us in Venice. But moreover, his childish foolishness, he lends money without interest. That whenever he lends money, he charge no interest. If I can catch him once upon the hip, I will feed fat the ancient grudge I bear him. He said, if I get a chance, if I catch him, I shall fully satisfy my old grudge or my old revenge, what I am having against him. He hates our sacred nation, and he rails even there where merchants most do congregate. He said, he hates our holy race. As you know, Shylock was a Jew and Antonio was a Christian. He said, he hates my holy race. He rails, and he means he abuses in places where most merchants get together. On me my bargains and my well-won thrift. He says ill about my business, my hard-earned profits, which he calls by the name of interest. He said, whatever whatever I take it, or whatever interest I charge, it is my hard-earned profit. It is my business. It's my profit, and he calls that profit as my interest. Curse be my tribe if I forgive. He said, if I am going to forgive him, my tribe be cursed. Because if I am going to forgive him, it will be a curse for me, because that much grudge I am having for him, and he has done that much to me. So never ever I will forgive him, rather I will definitely take revenge from Antonio. I hope you all understood. Thank you so much.